Mr. Malte, can you tell us something about your company and what are the key solutions or the innovation you're providing today at this event, IREE?
Yes, first of all, welcome our HARTING booth at IREE 2025. So let me start with a little bit of its history. So HARTING shortly celebrated its 80th anniversary, 80 years, so 1945, after the Second World War, we started. It's a HARTING family, it's a HARTING family-owned company still, not after. From 2006, we started with an own sales operational center here in Chennai, our main office in Chennai. And 2014, we produced already customized solution, what we can see here. So cable harnessing and so on in India, for India. And since 2017, we also produced components. Yeah, that is the reason behind is, of course, to be closer to the market on one hand, but on the other hand, of course, to fulfill the local content which is given by the Ministry of Railway.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming to India since 2009, so every year I see so much improvements, and it was very rarely to see any metros. Now everywhere are metros, and we see it here over there with the trains. So Vande Bharat is a huge project, and I think you're really upfront with this news innovation and so on. Due to this, we try to keep up to fulfill the requests from our customers, of course, yeah, to fulfill their high requirements, to have a reliable products, to fulfill all the standards. So I say RDSO and so on. And due to this, yeah, I think we're doing quite well.